When it comes to a healthy routine, going natural is the best way. There's no shortcut in achieving that natural glow that everyone is looking for. Beets are packed with essential vitamins, minerals and plant compounds, some of which have medicinal properties. While beetroot is a sweet root vegetable that most people either love or hate. If you hate it, by the end of this video, I bet you might change your attitude towards this amazing vegetable. So here are top 8 amazing health benefits of beets. Number 1. Liver detoxification. Beetroot juice has traditionally been used as a remedy to activate liver enzymes and increase bile, which helps the liver's detox function. It's high in compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of liver damage. Betaines and beets stimulate the functions of the liver and keep it healthy. They are one of the superfoods that have the ability to reverse fatty liver. Beetroot juice contains antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin B6 and iron. These compounds help protect the liver from inflammation and oxidative stress while enhancing its ability to remove toxins from the body. 2. Anti-aging. Beets help in the optimal functioning and repair of cells. This helps prevent premature aging. Abundant in antioxidants and vitamin C, beets are a natural way to ensure the glow on your skin. Beets contain a decent of lutein, another powerful antioxidant. These fight free radicals and can help fight wrinkles. Beets ingestion has been found to prevent skin cancer. Also, beets, as we discussed, contain vitamin A that maintains healthy mucous membranes and improves skin health. We have already seen that the nitrates in beets get converted into nitric oxide in the body. One Japanese study states that nitric oxide can help prevent certain lifestyle-related diseases, with osteoporosis being one of them. Another reason beetroot is good for treating osteoporosis is the presence of silica. The mineral is required by the body to efficiently utilize calcium. Having a glass of beetroot juice every day can keep osteoporosis and other related ailments away. 3. Improves sexual health. This superfood has been labeled as nature's Viagra due to its nitrate content. Similar to Viagra, beet intake increases nitric oxide formation, which dilates blood vessels and boosts circulation to the penis. This leads to better erections for men during sexual intercourse, and helps them last longer. Beets contain good amounts of boron, a mineral directly related to the production of sex hormones. Beets are also relaxing. Betaine in beets relaxes your mind and tryptophan contributes to happiness, both of which can help you get in the mood. According to an Arabic study, beetroot juice can also help treat sexual weakness and increased energy levels. Beets contain a significant amount of carbohydrates that provide energy for prolonged sports activities. Carbohydrates are the natural building blocks of energy metabolism, and beets provide them without any of the negative side effects of many other carbohydrate-heavy foods. 4. Boosts brain health. Beets are considered brain food that can slow the effects of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Drinking beet juice increases blood flow to the brain of the elderly, which may fight the progression of dementia. According to a 2010 study, a high nitrate diet led to an increase in blood flow to the white matter of the frontal lobes, the areas of the brain linked to degeneration from dementia and other cognitive disorders. Folic acid in beetroot can help protect against Alzheimer's by preventing damage to the hippocampus, which the brain devoted to memory and learning. In an animal study, those fed the folic acid diet had more brain cells in the hippocampus compared to their folic acid deficient counterparts. Beets improves brain neuroplasticity due to the nitrates present in them. These nitrates help increase oxygenation of the somatomotor cortex, a brain area that is often affected in the early stages of dementia. The study published in the Journals of Gerontology confirms that beetroot juice in combination with exercise in older adults can have a more positive impact. According to another UK study, dietary nitrate can improve cerebral blood flow, thereby enhancing brain functioning. This nitric oxide allows the brain cells to communicate with each other, thereby enhancing brain health. Here is second part of the video with 4 more benefits.